Bhaktivinoda Thakur prayed to Lord Jagannath to send him an able assistant who could help him in his mission to spread Mahaprabhu's glory. And as a result of that, Jagannath sent a very special personality, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur appeared in Jagannath Puri. And one wonderful thing happened when Jagannath's chariot festival, Ratha Yatra, was going on. Bhaktivinoda Thakur's house was on that road itself, where Jagannath's Rath cart goes from Puri temple to Gundicha temple. And when the Rath came in front of Bhaktivinoda Thakur's house, chariot stopped. It happens often. Jagannath sometimes decides not to move. And when Jagannath decides not to move, then who can move him? People, not only people, elephants and all kinds of things. During Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's time also that used to happen. Jagannath's chariot used to stop. Nothing could make Jagannath move. But then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would go at the back of the chariot and with his head he would just push it. And immediately chariot started to move. Similarly, the chariot stopped in front of Bhaktivinoda Thakur's house. Rath would move. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur's wife, Bhagavati Devi, she thought it's an opportunity to go and have the blessings of Lord Jagannath to the child. So she took the little child and took him to Lord Jagannath's chariot and placed him at Jagannath's lotus feet. Then what happened? Jagannath's garland fell on the child, indicating that he is the chosen one, that he sent. So that's how remarkable Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur was, right from his birth.